So in the last class, we have been discussing about the low spring MCQs. We might have discussed about 20 questions. Now let's continue with the 21st question. Why did Sahib leave Dhaka? That is the question. Because of lack of resources, because of lack of enough food, because of friends, because of parents. What may be the reason? Out of what is given here, which is the most acceptable one? Hello. Is it because the lack of resources? If you say resources, of course it is a resource only. The lack of enough food, lack of friends, lack of parents. There isn't much time to waste. Lack of food. What are the reasons for the migration of people from village to city in the lesson? We like to answer from the point of view of the lesson. Sweeping of houses and fields by storms, no money, education and unemployment is safety. Can anybody give the answer to this one? What is mentioned in the lesson? If you say all this can be, out of this, what is mentioned in the lesson? Please come up. Are you listening to me?
Sir, education and unemployment.
Education and employment. But what is said in the lesson? Education and employment is there, no doubt.
Option A.
Safety reasons are there.
Option A.
Sweeping of house and
yeah, in the lesson it is said sweeping of the house and field by storm. This would be the correct answer. But A is the correct answer. Okay. This one. Where was Sahib employed? He was at a tea stall, at a sari shop, at a jewelry shop, at a tea shop. It is a very direct question, no doubt. It is at a tea stall. What change did Anis Jung see in Sahib when she saw him standing by the gate of the neighborhood club? Asib lost his freedom, lost ownership, lost joy, all of this. What is the correct answer here? He lost his freedom. Yes. Lost ownership. Is no more his master, it is said. Lost joy, no happiness. So answer is all of this. What is Mugesh's dream? To be a doctor, to be a pilot, to be a rock, to be a motor mechanic. Correct answer.
to be a motor mechanic.
To be a motor mechanic is the correct answer. Mukesh wants to learn to become a motor mechanic by finding a tutor, going to a garage to learn, by reading books, by joining a school. What is the correct option?
Going to garage to learn.
Going to garage. Yes. What efforts can help Mukesh materialize his dream of becoming a car driver? Hard work, going to garage, guidance of his honor, and all of this. This is the correct answer.
All of these.
All of this is the
All of
yeah, hard work is required, going to garage is required, guidance of the honor is required, no doubt. This is actually we like to understand from the contest. How is Mukesh's attitude different from that of his family? Here, being daring, firm and clear, being a fighter, being a coward, not clear. What is the correct answer here? Is it not? Being daring, firm and clear. Because daring is not a part of growing, like that it is mentioned, but he was daring. Who employs the local families of the Firozabad? Bureaucrats, merchants, politicians, the glass blowing industry. Which one?
The glass blowing industry.
Yes, definitely. This is the correct answer. What is the function of glass blowing industry? To make windows, to make doors, to mold glass and make colorful bangles. Of course.
To mold
glass and make colorful bangles.
To mold glass and make colorful bangles.
Correct. To mold glass and make colorful bangles. What makes a working condition of the children worse in the glass industry? Option 1, dark dingy cells without light and air, dazzling and sparkling of welding light, high temperature, all of this. Is the correct answer?
all of
All of this. What compels the workers in the banking industry of Firozabad to poverty? Caste and ancestral profession, crime theory and society, bureaucrats and politicians, all of this. This is the correct answer.
Sir, all
Yes,
all of this.
all of this. Who are responsible for the poor condition of the bangle makers in Firozabad? Parents, society, bureaucrats, all of this.
All of these.
All of this, yes, all of this. One wonders if he has achieved what many have failed to achieve in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head. These lines were set in reference to the condition of the elderly woman's old husband, Mugesh's father, the bangle factory owner, the Mukesh elder brother. What is the correct answer here? You have to go back to the lesson and you have to see that where this particular sentence occurs. One wonders if he has achieved what many have failed to achieve in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head. This line set in reference to the condition of elderly woman, old husband, Mukesh father, bangle factory owner, Mukesh elder brother. Correct answer?
Option A.
A. A is the correct answer. Correct. Coming to 35, question number 35. What bothers the author most about the bangle makers? He is mostly bothered about the stigma of poverty and caste, the affluence of the landlords, the behavior of the factory owners, the labor laws. Which one? Answer?
The behavior of
The factory owners. Nothing much is said in the lesson about that behavior of the factory owners. They are all working in their own houses. Isn't it? Answer is A, stigma of poverty and caste. According to the author, rag picking has become dash over the years, profession, fine art, tradition, culture. Which is the correct answer? Fine art, isn't it? One day, Sahib was seen by the author watching some young men playing. They were playing cricket, tennis, hockey, soccer. Which one? Very clear.
Tennis.
Mukesh was a student, worker, bangle maker, rag picker. He was a Mukesh. Isn't it? Rag picker was a Sahib B. Alam. He was a bangle. I'm just going a little fast. I hope you are just able to follow. Mukesh's father was Dash before he became a bangle maker. He was a tailor, carpenter, rag picker, mason. Somebody tell me.
Tailor.
Tailor. Yes. The frail woman in Mukesh's house is his mother, elder brother's wife, niece. Was he? He was?
Elder brother's wife.
Yes. Find the correct statement in the following. Which is the correct statement you have to say. There were many storms that swept away their fields and homes. I've seen men and women walking barefoot in cities on village roads. Young boys, like the son of the principal, now wore shoes. Food is more important for survival than house. Out of this, which statement is correct? Let's start from last. Food is more important for survival than house. Is it house? Is it house?
So identity.
Identity. So this is wrong, isn't it? Young boys, like the son of the principal, now wore shoes. Is it the son of the principal?
Son of the priest.
So this is also wrong. I have seen men and women walking barefoot in cities on village roads. Here in cities and on village roads. Where? Anisjan says that she has seen children walking barefoot. Where are they? Here is the problem. Okay. There were many storms that swept away their field and home. So what is the correct answer? This one. Only this statement is correct. Now, coming to question number 42. We had to find out the correct statement. It is a lack of money, but a tradition to stay barefoot. It is lack of money, but a tradition to stay barefoot. I remember a story a man from Trichur once told me. They have lived here for more than 30 years without an identity. Every other family in in Firuzabad is engaged in making bangles. So which is the correct statement here? Can tell me 1, 2, 3.
Every other family in Firozabad is engaged in bangle making.
Every other family in Firuzabad is engaged in making bangles.
They have lived there for more than 30 years without an identity.
Just one. So two answers are. Is there anything wrong here in the fourth statement?
It is given Faridabad instead of
Here
Firozabad.
it is Faridabad. So this is the answer. Pursue. No. Rearrange. I also read Firozabad, actually Faridabad. Rearrange the sentences in the correct sequence and choose the correct option. On the ground, a large aluminium planters are more chopped vegetables. He would stop briefly at the temple and pray for a pair of shoes. The young men echo the lament of their elders. Over the months, I have come to recognize each of them. Here, all the statements are correct, but you have to rearrange them in the sequence. What is the sequence here? What comes first? What comes second, third, like that? You have to find out. Okay, which
So
option
C. Option C.
Option C. Option C means this. Statement 4. Over the months, I have come to recognize each of them. So that is the first one to say. You have to verify. This is the first one. So in that case, this second one, he would stop briefly at the temple and pray for a pair of shoes. Okay. Then number 1, on the ground in large aluminium planters. Okay. Then 3, the young man echo the lament of the elders. Okay, this is the correct answer. 44. Again, 4 statements are there. She still has bangles on her wrist, but no light in her eyes. As custom demands, daughter-in-law must veil their faces before male enters. And daring is not part of his growing up. That amongst the green fields of Dhaka, his home is not even a distant memory. So you have to find out the option, which is the correct option. Out of this, if you find out one, yeah, tell me.
So option C.
Option C. Let's find out option C. Option C is this one. Then option C is this one. First statement is this one. That amongst the green fields of Dhaka, his home is not even a distant memory. This one is in respect of Sahib Alam. So there is no other statement which is starting with the 4. This is and daring is not part of his growing up. It comes in the last part. As custom demands, daughter, it is in Mukesh house. He still has bangles. This is also in Mukesh. When you come to when we come to the case of the bangle making only. So this is the correct answer. Just with one statement itself, you can confirm it. And the second one, of course, as custom demands, then 1, Priya's bangles, and then parents. Yes, this is the correct answer. Now, 45. Assertion and reasoning type of question, 45. Every morning, Sahib went out to look for gold in the garbage dump. There was a gold shop near the garbage dump. So here, whether both assertion and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. First, you find out whether this statement is correct. Whether this is correct, assertion. Every morning, Sahib went out to look for gold in the garbage dumps. Is it correct? Assertion is correct. There was a gold shop near the garbage dump. Nothing is mentioned there. So very easily you can come to the answer. Both assertion and reason are correct. This is wrong. Both assertion and reason are correct. That is also wrong. Assertion is true and reason is false. Assertion is false. Reason is true. Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Option C.
So third one is the correct answer. Now next come to 46. Sahib couldn't go to school. His parents didn't want him to go to school. There are 2 statements. Now, both assertion and reason are correct. Both assertion and reason are correct. Here it is said that both assertion and reason are correct and the reason is the correct explanation. Here, reason is not the correct explanation. Assertion is true and reason is false. Assertion is false and reason is true. Which is the correct answer?
A is true, but R is false.
Number, assertion is true and the reason is false. This one?
Yes, sir.
Is there anywhere Sahib couldn't go to school? It is correct. His parents didn't want him to go to school. Anywhere it is mentioned like that? Is it mentioned in the lesson that his parents doesn't want him to go to school? No. This is okay. What is 7? The narrator had seen children walking barefoot in cities on village roads. It is a tradition and not just lack of money reason. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. But assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true and reason is false. Assertion is false and reason is true. So here, which is the correct answer? What is 7? Assertion is true and reason also true. And reason is the correct explanation. First of all, see whether this is correct. Is it correct? The narrator had seen the children walking barefoot in the cities and on village roads. Here it is a tradition and not lack of money. It is also coming in the lesson. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the correct answer?
Option 1.
Option 1, both assertion and reason are. But here it is said in the lesson that the writer is telling that it is calculated an attempt to hide their lack of money, not lack of money. Here it is said that lack of money. പക്ഷെ മണി ഇല്ല, ട്രഡീഷൻ അല്ല എന്നാണ് വിശ്വസിച്ചത്. Isn't it? ട്രഡീഷൻ ആണ് എന്ന് ആ റീസണിൽ കൺവിൻസ്ഡ് ആണോ ഓദർ?
The reason was just an excuse.
It is just simply an excuse. So how do you give? Can you say that the reason is an explanation of assertion? Is it correct? In that case, it is not correct. This is correct. Next. The rag pickers of Bangladesh left their land of green fields and rivers. They found jobs in Simapuri. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Please read and tell me which is the correct answer. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true, reason is false, assertion is false. First of all, this is correct, this is correct. They left Bangladesh and now they are in Simapuri. They got a job. What is a job? Practically. So this is the answer. 49. Mukesh wanted to be a motor mechanic. Yes, his family was engaged in making glass bangles in Firozabad. Here, Mukesh wanted to be a motor mechanic. Is it correct? He wanted to be a motor mechanic. Correct. His family was engaged in making glass bangles in Firozabad. Yes, that is also correct. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So you don't have to come to here because both the statements are correct, isn't it? In that case, which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? Whether this is the reason of this. Mukesh wanted to become a motor mechanic because his family is engaged in bangle making. If you say that he wanted to have he had a better dream, it was okay. But here, this is a correct answer. 2 is the correct answer.